Om Shri Krishnaya Namaha. By now we've already done a series of Purandaradasa Kritis about Lord Krishna, Lord Vishnu. One such series of Purandaradasa we are trying to do today is in Kandena Govinda Namana. This particular composition or Devaragulu is what we generally call in Kannada. This composition has been set to Mand. Mand is a Hindustani based raga and this is generally used for a highly devotional set of mood. So we'll be doing Mand today. So I will be directly starting with the composition because these kind of compositions are a bhajan style, so we'll directly get into the bhajan. Please note down the lyrics of the Kriti Kandena Govinda Namana. The Pallavi goes like this. Kandena Govinda Namana. Namana is like Namana, so my heart. Pundari Kakshana Pandava Pakshana. That is the Pallavi. Kandena Govinda Namana Pundari Kakshana Pandava Pakshana. Pundari Kaksha is like Pundari Kaksha is one of Lord Krishna's devotees and he actually helps Pundari to come out of his sorrows and gives a blessing of mukti to him. So Purandaradasa is trying to describe Krishna all his events once again as he generally do in all his Devaragalu. So this is again like Pundari Kakshana, Pandava Pakshana. As the word itself says, he has been, he always took a Paksha of Pandavas in Mahabharata. So he is just describing Krishna as a Pandava Paksha. Let's start with the Pallavi. This is set to Adi Talam and there is a little variation in this particular Kirtana. See, generally for Adi Talam we take that 8 count and finish the Talam, but we can also consider there's a little of an Ekatala because this particular composition holds a beauty in the expression of the Raga. So we'll not try to set it to the Adi Talam as such. We might go a little either and there, but then it's like you can use an Ekatalam to finish the Talam. As you all know, Ekatala has got a half of Adi Tala. It goes like this: 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you can actually use this Ekatalam or you can set it to an Aditalam as well. Let's start with the Pallavi in Mand. This composition starts with the as the main note. The so it starts like that. So we'll be starting the Kirtana from the Panchama. Govinda It starts like that. It's not difficult. I'll try to do it very slow for you. Try to follow the Sangatis. Mada, that is the Sangati. Swaram of the Sangati. De na de na. This particular Sangati that we just did is the base of Mandaragam. So any composition you take in Mand, this Sangati is mandatory because that gives the feel of the Mandaragam. Kandena Govinda Namana Kandena Govinda Namana Kandena. This is the second Sangati. Kandena na kandena Govinda Govinda namana. Right? We generally start it very slow before we get into the beat. Let me do the first line of the Pallavi for you once again with the talam. Kandena Kandena Govinda namana Kandena Govinda namana Kandena Can also consider this or do this in a Chapu Talam. See, Chapu, Adi are all form in the same pattern. So either you can use this format or just use this to get the rhythm out of it. Alright? Kandena Govindana. Can actually start the kirtana like that. Kandena Govinda namana Kandena I hope you understood this by now. Pundarikakshana. This is the second line of the Pallavi. Pundarikakshana Pandava Pakshana Pandava Pakshana Kandena Govinda namana Kandena. So when we do this Pundarikakshana, it's only one Sangati. Pundarikakshana Pandava Pakshana Pundarikakshana. That is the Sangati. See, in this particular bhajan, there is no fixed sangatis as such as we generally have in any of the kriti formats. This is a bhajan, so it should come out of your heart, and you can do a lot of variations and subtle sangatis within the frame of the raga. So I'm just trying to do a little of those modifications. So just follow the modifications. Do not fix to one thing. You can do a lot of experimentation in mind. Alright. Pundarikakshana. That's the second one. Pundarikakshana Pandava Pakshana Pundarikakshana Pandava Pakshana Kandena Govinda namana Kandena. Let me do the Pallavi as a stretch for you, and then we'll get into the first charanam of the composition. Kandena Govinda Kandena Govinda namana Kandena Kandena ಕಂಡೇನ ಕಂಡೇನ ಗೋವಿಂದ ನಾಮ ಪುಂಡರೀಕಾಕ್ಷನ ಪಾಂಡವ ಪಕ್ಷನ ಪುಂಡರೀಕಾಕ್ಷನ ಪಾಂಡವ ಪಕ್ಷನ ಪುಂಡರೀಕಾಕ್ಷನ ಪಾಂಡವ ಪಕ್ಷನ ಪುಂಡರೀಕಾಕ್ಷನ ಪಾಂಡವ ಪಕ್ಷನ ಕಂಡೇನ ಗೋವಿಂದ ನಾಮನ ಕಂಡೇನ 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 ಗೋವಿಂದ ನಾಮ this is our Pallavi. This starts with the jaga of taka kandena. So initially you can pause the composition with kandena govindana, and then when you actually repeat it, if you have observed when I'm doing Indi Pallavi with the tala, we don't get in the second line as such, but we do kandena twice. Kandena govindana mana kandena 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 govinda namana kandena kandena. Right, this is the first Pallavi, Pallavi of the composition. Let's do with the Charanam. Please note down the Charanam. Kesava Narayana Shri Krishnana. Kesava Narayana Shri Krishnana Vasudeva Achyutanana. Alright, this is the first two lines of the composition. Here Purandaradasa is trying to describe the multiple names of Narayana. It's like Kesava, Narayana, Shri Krishna. All the names belong to Lord Shri Vishnu. Vasudeva, Achyutanana. Sarisa Namana. Sarisa is like many in Kannada. Sarisa Namana Sri Hrishikesana Seshasayana Namma Vasudeva Sutana. Seshasayana is, of course, you know, the Adisesha who sleeps on the Adisesha. So Seshasayana Namma is like mine. Vasudeva Sutana, you are the son of Sri Vasudeva. So he's just giving all the multiple names of Lord Sri Vishnu in this, and then saying you are the Seshasayana and you are my Vasudeva Sutana. In this particular composition, all the charanas goes in the same style. So we'll try to do the first charanam little elaborately to understand you the intricacies and the bhava of the first charanam, so that it will be easy for all of you to get into the next two charanas. Let me repeat the lyrics once again, because lyrics holds the most important value in this composition. Kesava Narayana Shri Krishnana Vasudeva Achyutanana. Sarisa Namana is like many names. Shri Hrishikesana Seshasayana Namma Vasudeva Sutana.